Some countries nearly collapsed through war. Canada came close, through a vote. One decision by the people almost split a nation. The consequences could have been massive, but the choice came not from violence, but from democracy's hand. A decision so close, the fate of millions was nearly reversed by less than 1%. The slimmest of margins determined the future of an entire nation. The tiniest difference on the ballot had the power to reshape history. That nation was Canada. The final results rested on a razor-thin difference. Only 0.58% held it together when the votes were counted. One of the world's largest countries almost became two, all decided by a single moment in time. Quebec is unique, French-speaking, culturally distinct, with a powerful sense of identity. Many people there felt Canada wasn't protecting that heritage. This tension set the scene for the dramatic vote, with two proud regions wanting respect and security. The referendum took place on October 30, 1995. The vote was 49.42% yes versus 50.58% no. A single day nearly made history, forever altering the map. The people's decision was almost perfectly split down the middle. Had the vote gone differently, Canada would have lost 23% of its land, millions of citizens, and part of its soul. The separation would have changed not just borders, but identities, families, and futures, affecting everything the country stood for. Instead of breaking apart, Canada chose to strengthen unity through respect, bilingualism, and identity protection. The country embraced both English and French cultures and took new steps to bridge divides between its regions for a stronger future. Today, Canada ranks among the world's top nations for life quality, inclusion, and social stability. The decision to stay together made lasting impacts, helping Canada and Quebec build a better future and stronger reputation across the globe. Sometimes almost falling apart teaches us how to hold things together. The near breakup gave Canada important lessons about unity, identity, and the strength that comes from overcoming deep challenges as a nation. Quebec almost split Canada, but today it helps define what it means to be Canadian, from near collapse to quiet strength. And that strength became quality of life. Watch the next video to see how Canada turned crisis into success. And don't forget to subscribe if you love Hidden World stories.